In the last video, we have built coins and accounting system. Today, let's build an enemy and a game over screen. That also includes two buttons, quit and play again. Like this. Let's create the enemy first. We will do this in a separate scene. Click on this plus symbol to create a new scene. Click on Other node. Search for Kinematic Body 2D and double-click on it. Go to Kinematic Body 2D and right-click. Go to Add Child node and search for Collision Shape 2D, and double-click on it. Go to Inspector, then Add Shape, click on the small arrow. Now, click on New Rectangle Shape. Left-click on Kinematic Body 2D, then right-click again on Add Child node. Search for Sprite, and double-click on Sprite. Go to File System and drag and drop your image into the text box. Now click on Collision Shape 2D and adjust the size to your sprite. Double-click on Kinematic Body 2D and rename it to Enemy. And press Enter. Click on this symbol to join all parts of the enemy. Now, press Ctrl S on the keyboard to save your scene. Now click on Save. Now, let's create a script for the enemy. Click on Enemy, then click on this symbol. For template, select Empty, then click Create. Now, type this line. Click again on Enemy. Then right-click and click on Add Child node. Search for Area 2D, and double-click on it. Now, right-click on Area 2D and again, go to Add Child node and search for Collision Shape 2D. And double-click on it. Go to Inspector, then at Shape, click on the small arrow. Click on New Rectangle Shape. Set the size of Collision Shape 2D, slightly larger than your image. Like this. Now click on Area 2D, then at Node, go to Body Entered and double-click on it. Now click on Enemy, then click on Connect. We have now got this new function in our enemy script. Delete pass, and type this line. With emit signal, we call our self-created signal, that we named, death. Here. Now, click on Enemy, go to Inspector, click here at Collision. Here we have Layer and Mask. Click on these three dots. Here are the layers we need for collision detection. Let's rename Layer 1 and Layer 2 in Enemy and Player. Let's do that. Click here on Project, then on Project Settings. At General. Scroll down to Layer Names. Go to 2D Physics. Now, we can name our layer here. Click on the field of Layer 1, and name it Enemy. Then, on layer 2, and name it player. Then, click on close. If we now click on these 3 dots again, we see that our names, enemy and player are not there. This is because it didn't update it. So, we have to save it. Press Ctrl S on the keyboard to save. And here are our names, enemy and player. Deselect these 2 boxes here. Now, click on Area 2D, go to Inspector, and click here at Collision. Then, at Mask, select Player and deselect Enemy. Like this. So, our enemy scene is completely finished. Now, go to your main scene. In my case, it is level 1 scene. Now, we have to get our enemy scene in level 1. Click on level 1, then, on this symbol. With this symbol, we will instantiate other scenes, here, in scene 1. Now, click on your enemy scene, and then click on Open. Our enemy is here, at the coordinates x0 and y0. Place it wherever you want. Go to Node, and double-click on our created signal, bed. Click on Player, then on Connect. We got a new function in our player script. Delete pass, and type the following line. Let's start the program. If we touch the enemy, we die. Great, it works. Let's change the color of the enemy. Click on Enemy, then go to Inspector, click on Visibility. Now click on the color field of Modulate and select a color. Do the same with your coins. You can hold down the Shift key and select all the coins. Like this. Start the program. Fine. In the second part of this video, I show how to make a game over screen, which also contains the buttons, quit, and play again. And we will add a dead sound when we die. Goodbye.